Everybody, I am back with a different look. I'm working on it, but I'm gonna have a little more different look. But I am here to do a Burger King mukbang and with some news topics, some good news topics, which is everybody know what the news is about. So I'm gonna say my grace and we're gonna get to it. Thank you, Jesus, for this food about to receive. Let it be nourishment to our body and bless the hands that prepared it in Jesus' name. Amen. Have to give me some Burger King real quick. Do me a quick video. Gotta run off. So I have a little moment. So I wanted to come on here and see my YouTube family and they can see me. I am doing fine. I hope everything is well with everyone. We have to continue to be safe out here. And I'm gonna start with this. Alrighty. This is the life we live in, you guys. We are living this life. Okay? So it you know, and it really shows people to be more cleaner. And care for themselves, because this is really serious, and when it's very serious when it can cause death. It's a deadly bacteria. So you know, people have to learn how to be safe out there. Do I have any ketchup? I don't have no ketchup. No ketchup. I was going to put a little bit on there. Okay, I'm gonna eat them all. I'm gonna eat them regular. So I have me this famous. This is the new cheddar, the new cheddar bacon king, you guys. So this is what I'm working with today. And I always like to keep my little wrap on when I'm holding my burger, you guys. So y'all gonna have to excuse me. This is the way I do it. I don't like to put my hands all over my burger. So I have to show it to you guys like this. See? So this is the cheddar, the new cheddar bacon. Let me just take a bite and then I'm gonna talk to you guys. You okay? You just are you wanna call on my video? The things is going on. Ooh, that's the thing about lipstick. I don't know. I'm about to wipe this off. I don't want lipstick on my burger. Excuse me, y'all. I gotta wipe that off. I'm sorry. I can't have no lipstick on my burger. Now I have to peel this part off. I don't want that. Lipstick get on your burger when you make your face up, you guys. I try to make up, but when you bite a burger, it's kind of difficult because the lipstick get on your bread. Look at the cheese, y'all. The cheese gush out of there, y'all. This is that new cheddar bacon. They got these paper straws, y'all. I don't like them. But anyway, but they've been talking about the coronavirus, y'all. Everybody should be aware of that. Keep yourself real clean. But the thing is, they're going outrageous with it because they can tend to panic and then tend to slip when you panic. You might forget that you need to keep your hands clean or you touch something. And people not understanding. And they not understanding to be distanced. So when you go out, they steady try to come close to you or come around you or get to know you. No, that's not what we're doing here. Distance. Social distance. I mean, I'm going to talk to you from over there. That's how that is. So, I don't know. People just crazy, don't understand, they can take it as a joke or whatever. Until somebody get really angry and pop them up in their head. But it's so disrespectful. When you trying to keep a distance and then they steady coming towards you, that's crazy. I don't think that's right. I don't think they should do that. Because that means they taking it as a joke. They're not taking it very seriously. Anyway. But that's all they've been really talking about. It. You guys, Vegas, it's dark. They didn't close a lot of stuff down. Here in Los Angeles, California, they closed down a lot of food places, stores, and dispensaries, all of those things. You can't even go to that. You can take your food, you can go in the fast food, like I went to Burger King. I can go and order and take my food and go out with it and go home with it. You can't eat in nowhere. I was going to do a video at my favorite Mexican restaurant one day, but couldn't stay there to do it. And I had to take it to go, and I end up not even doing a video. But I will do it one day. I'm gonna do the video. Maybe I'd have to do it inside because all of this. But I can't go get it. I can go get the burrito. The burrito is so big, y'all. The burrito like this big. I shared it with my client. It was so big. I wanted to do a video with that because it's really huge. It's called La Barca's Mexican restaurant. And they're real good. They're real good.
Continuing to build upon this next.
But you know what? At this time of moment, people are crazy, very disrespectful, and not respecting your wishes on how you want to do things. They're not respecting it. So, I'm not socializable at all. And I don't care. They can take it the way they want. I don't want to meet no one new. I'm good. I'm just go be with my clients. I just came from the store. You guys, over here, close by my client's place. I had to go to the store because I don't want them to go to the store like back and forth. I don't want them in the stores. So I had to go spend, money in there, and you have to wait in line. I don't like the line thing because, people don't tend to know how to keep their distance. They all up on you. You know, I don't like the line thing. I stepped out of line so I can just keep my place in line. I step out on the side. I can't do the line thing, but you have to stand in line until they let you go in. They only, in this particular store, they only let in like 9 people be in the store at a time. 9. Which means, excuse me, which means I can go in there and fly in there, get everything I need, and get on out like I just did. I went in there, I flew in there, get everything I need so I can work it out. But we'll wait. He's not going to the store, and I just cook here. So I do videos when I, show y'all what I cook and stuff. Maybe I have to get this other thing so that I can show y'all when I'm cooking and stuff. I could do something like that, but I gotta get a better holder so y'all can see as I cook. I'm gonna do that. I have to go out and find that. All of these stores are closed. I don't know how I'm gonna get these things. It's kind of hard. This little sanitizer bottle here. It comes from CVS, but I refill it, because I have my clients, they have like a big bottle. I gotta go to CVS and get me a big bottle. This little bitty bottle I get for my clients, it's not enough. You go into the stores, you can't find no alcohol, you can't find no sanitizer. It's terrible. So basically what you have to do is not touch too much, not eat with your hands too much, and basically use soap and water. Just being careful. That's universal precautions. You're gonna watch what you touch. You're gonna watch how you do things, and you do things carefully. That's what I do. I run in, run out. My client here, that's with me right now, he's the only one I'm mostly around. But the other ones, I just run in, run out. I don't have time to sit around. So, yeah. And when I go in, I sanitize my hands. When I come out, I sanitize my hands, because in convalescent, you have to wash your hands before and after each care. And it's a workout. This is the world we living in, y'all, right now. We have to be careful. So whatever you do, with however you move, you wash your hands. You wash your hands before you go and do something. You wash your hands after you finish doing something. That way your hands is always clean. That's how you have to do it. Believe me. That's how you get infections and germs away. Okay? Making sure your hands are always clean before you do something and after. That's how they do it in convalescence. We have to wash our hands before and after. It's important. That's how we're going to get rid of this, by being careful. And people keeping themselves clean, keeping your clothes clean, wash your hands at all times, And these kids, I don't have no little kids, I have young kids, but I just hope their parents make sure that they keep them clean. Keep a routine with your kids. After the whole day, tub time, bathtub, clean them up, wipe everything down. You know, you have to do that with kids. Kids are very active. So, I don't have no little kids. That's not what I'm dealing with. But if you do have little kids, be careful. Keep their hands clean all the time. Just get them in the habit of washing their hands all the time. Because kids tend to touch a lot. They touch everything. Me, I don't have to touch everything. Y'all should see me. Why it seems like something is cold in here. Okay. I use my elbow. You know. I use my arm to push the door. Stop me from touching anything. So, just gotta be careful. But that's on the news right now, you guys. They ordered everybody to stay in their homes, cook at home, keeping yourself clean at home. They didn't laid off a lot of jobs. A lot of jobs they probably all upset and mad. Only ones that can go out is public transportation, the health field, nurses, you know, the ones that's helping others. That's in the medical field, period. Those are the ones that can go out. So we basically should see mostly nurses in the stores. But you don't. So, some people don't have nobody. They don't have no caregiver, no nurse. So, they have to do it themselves. And in the store, they had us, I had my gloves on, touching them baskets and stuff and money. And the basic thing is that money y'all have to keep y'all really, when y'all dealing with that money, don't try not to deal with money too much. Better you save it. But we had to get the little bags. We had to use the bags that you put the fruit in, and you weigh it. We had to put that on our hands to get fruits or oh dang, sorry about that. We had to get a bag to put over our hands to grab the fruit. Or the vegetables, fresh vegetables. I just put it on and started from getting my onion, got that first, got my potatoes, and kept it on and started wrapping everything with it. After I was done, take my gloves off, take that off, put one clean glove on, and, you know, deal with the money part. Well, actually, I just used my card, so I didn't really have to deal with no money, but I still have my gloves on. Dealing in that store, I ain't got to wear gloves. I'm sorry. People don't know. They just touch everything. I don't know, hard not to touch. Even though that's one of our senses, but don't use it right now. Use your eyes, your nose, your ears. Man, this is well, you guys. That's all the news topics. I don't want these fries. They taste pretty hard. I don't know why they so hard. But it's nice talking to my YouTube family. I miss you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys joining in, whoever's joining in. I miss you guys. I've been busy. Busy. So, I've been busy trying to put things together, trying to organize myself to get on here on my channel to do videos. So it's been busy for me, but I'm adjusting. And I really miss you guys so much. So I said, let me come on and say hi and see how everyone is doing and let you guys see me. And I'm doing fine and well, thank God. But that's about all the news topics really that I've been hearing on the news is the coronavirus. There's nothing really been on but that. And the president spoke and he ordered every one of them. So that order was started at midnight. So that order started at midnight for everyone to stay in, except health, health agencies or health workers, and public transportation and basically, yeah. It's just certain places you can't go to up in Los Angeles, California. They are not allowing you. They told them to close down dispensaries, smoke shops. Well, the banks are open, but they have to work hard too in there. All the places that are open and you can go in and go out is they have to disinfect everything inside there too. They working, y'all. So everything is a work. And I've been so exhausted. I've been trying to move quickly, move like that, because I be on them public transportations and I have to move quickly. I don't want nobody to come close to me. So it tires you out by moving so fast and quickly and having a routine. But I'm adjusting to it. And I'm just trying to keep myself isolated from all of that because I don't want nobody's bug. So I just stay within my two clients. As long as the transportation is going on, I'll go to LA to my one client. I went in there so fast and came out. She was like, "You're leaving already?" I said, "Yep." And she was, I hope she didn't get offended by it, but that's just the way I'm rolling. I'm sorry. I don't have time to sit and talk and all of that. I just want to just move. That's it. And they have to bear with me. That's all I know. Or I don't have to come. Because, I mean, you know, I'm definitely pulling that change in. So it won't be nothing not to come. So, yeah. But that's basically it, y'all. They order y'all to stay in. They're all over the place. All over, they say. No traveling. Can't travel. I wouldn't want to anyway. But anyway, I'm going to eat this later. I'm full. I just wanted to come on and do me I never did a Burger King mukbang. And that's what I wanted to do. Because I miss my YouTube family. And I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until we meet again, you guys stay safe and prayed up. God bless you.